Alright, so I was gonna take this to the Ham Fest. I'm not sure. I'm gonna clean it up, but it's from 1975. It's a 5 or 10 or 15 megahertz oscilloscope, I guess. It's really bad. It's missing the thing on the screen here. It's from Fire Stick. They put all these different things on here. I've got two of them. They both kind of work. Let's see, maybe maybe I could resurrect one of these. Figure out what exactly it needs. I've never even opened them up. I got them for free though, so I just sprayed a little like simple green on this thing. I don't want to use anything too aggressive because it probably remove the lettering. And I'm not sure what Fire Stick put these labels on here for, but I'm guessing these are antenna lengths. This is 5 foot 27.6, 4 foot 27.28, 3 foot 27.6, 2 foot and 7 foot 28 megahertz. Looks like they tried to sell this at one point in time for $60. So Fire Stick was based out of like California and then Phoenix, and they did a lot of experimentation stuff, and they built illegal equipment as well. VFOs for CB radios to unlock them. They did a lot of stuff, I guess, and so they did lots of research. And so they had like tons of these things that I guess have just been sitting back there since, probably the 70s, early 80s. And my friend, well, I won't say friend, but an acquaintance of mine who handles radio stuff and tower sites and things like that, he somehow ended up with a lot of the stuff from there. Because I guess they closed their shop. So anyway, now I have some of their stuff. So I guess we'll clean it up and see if we can get it working. So rather than dump it off at the Ham Fest, or at least maybe make it look manageable, we'll catch you guys later.